how to share your screen on Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share your screen with others in Google Meet. Let's dive right in. Open up your Chrome or any other browser, head over to Google Meet, and once you're in, at the bottom you can see various icons. You need to tap on the arrow-like icon, and then you can choose whether you want to share Chrome tab, just a window, or your entire screen. So just tap on it and then you just need to tap on share and then start sharing. So now, once you tap on share, everyone in the meeting will be able to see your screen. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.